I don't think I could have asked for anything more than what I did get today, which is what I wanted for a very long time. Hey there, this is Joy of Joy Morris Beauty. I just wanted to share that tomorrow I am actually getting Sisterlocks installed on my hair. If you have been following my journey over the past year or so, I've been sharing about some of the hair issues that I've had and the struggles that I've had. I have grown 6 inches of healthy, natural hair. You may not be able to tell because my hair is really coarse, so it really shrinks up really tight, but this this is actually about 6 inches of hair. I have my Test locks that were installed a couple of months ago. Here they are. Here are some of them right here. So they've grown out quite a bit, but I did go through that whole process of getting the Test locks installed and kind of playing with them and things like that. So yeah, they're kind of right here. So it'll be interesting to see what it looks like all over my head. So I'm kind of excited about that. So I just washed my hair. I used I know a lot of people in a lot of community use the Suave Essentials Daily Clarifying Shampoo. And so I just wanted my hair to be as clean as possible. And I'm gonna just cornrow it into some braids just to let it air dry a little bit overnight. And then I'll get up in the morning. If it's still a little damp, I might blow dry it just a little bit before I head over to my Loctician's place. But I just wanted to kind of show you what my hair is looking like after a year of growing out my hair. This is all the hair that I've grown since we've come to Dallas. Over the past year, this is a year's worth of hair for me. So, you know, I can show you a little bit the texture of my hair. I have pretty coarse hair. I think I'm probably a mixture of 4A to 4C. My hair is really coily, but it's still very coarse at the same time, almost cottony in certain areas. So if I had to claim a type, I would claim 4A to 4C. So yeah, just to show you a little bit of my hair, but it's all gonna be locked up starting tomorrow. Hey, good morning. Bright and early morning here in Dallas, and I am on my way to get my locks installed. I am so excited. I have waited for this day for a very long time. I left out the house early in the morning while my husband and my son were still asleep, and it's so hard. That's my GPS. It's so hard to leave them when they're asleep because, you know, we'll all have the day free, and I'll be excited to kind of spend some time with them. But spending the time today to just invest this day into my hair and getting my locks installed. Thankfully, my Loctician was able to devote herself to a one-day installation for my hair, since it is only about 6 inches or so. So we're gonna go ahead and get it done. I have everything packed and ready. I have my laptop, I have all of my chargers, I have a bag full of food, I have a sweater. If I get hot, I brought like some little jogger capris in case what I have is too hot for me. So we're gonna go ahead and get it going. I have a few minutes before I go inside. So I ended up getting my Loctician a gift. Just a little token, just of my appreciation for her. You know, I have a lot of respect for people who, you know, have businesses where they create things with their hands, creative businesses where they work really hard to create, you know, a vision for someone else. So I feel like, you know, as a professional makeup artist, that's something that, you know, I have done, where, you know, like for a bride, or, you know, you're really just giving so much of your energy to help it make it happen for someone else. So I just wanted to get her just a simple gift, just as a token of my appreciation. Not anything, you know, it's not anything over the top, but, you know, I can't imagine myself spending 12 plus hours doing somebody's hair. But I'm so grateful that somebody else was willing to do that for me. And then I'm, want to kind of start our relationship off on a good foot, on a good exchange. So let me see. I'm wrapping it right now. It's just real simple, but this is one of my favorite, like bath brands that I really like. You can pick it up at Walmart. It's the Dr. Teal's. I love this Epsom salt with the bubble bath combo that I use a lot at home when I'm trying to kind of de-stress. And then I just picked up a candle. I like this candle because it matched the bag. So it's just something real simple. But I just wanted to give her something nice. Like I said, just trying to start our relationship off on the right foot. But okay. All right, here we go. I am on a lunch break. We just did, I think, like a 4-hour session. And so the whole back half of my hair, all the way up to mid-ear, is completed. And my Loctician, I like her so much. She is so kind and accommodating. She's funny. We just been watching TV and laughing while she's been doing my hair. She's really fast too. She's been moving out just in record time. So just took a little bit of a break to eat. Just wanted to give a little update. It's going well. I'm already like so happy. My hair feels really good right now. It's split into all the different sections that they, like the sister Loctician split the hair into when they're doing it. But like I said, all of this section, this half back here, all the way to the crown is already complete and feeling great. And I am so excited. Said it's sunny. It's a beautiful day in Dallas. I'm having a great day. I'm about to eat because I'm hungry. I'm hungry. My breakfast only went so far this morning. So I'm going to eat really fast and get back in there and keep going. Hey, so I am finished. I just got in the car and I am finished. I believe that we came in right up under 11 and a half hours. We started at 8 a.m. and we took a couple of really quick breaks, and we finished around 10:30. So the day actually breezed by. I had a lot of fun with my Loctician, just kind of chatting with her. We watched several movies. We just talked and laughed. The time actually went by really fast, and it kind of breezes by. I think it's a mix of like adrenaline and excitement. I actually didn't sleep very well last night because I was so excited about today. So I was a little nervous about that. Because I knew today would be a long day, but I still had like that continued adrenaline, which helped me a lot. So I have literally no complaints. I mean, from my opinion, I feel like it went perfectly. I mean, from my perspective, I don't think I could have asked for anything more than what I did get today, which is what I wanted for a very long time. So I have a very solid and strong foundation so that I can continue to grow my hair and let my sister locks flourish and grow and mature. So very excited and ready to go through that process. Have my hair out now. I just have to get used to my hair being out, because I know when you wear weaves for a long time, it's like having a second hat on all the time, which actually really helps in wintertime, to have that little extra layer. So that was kind of the first thing I noticed coming out. after I left the salon and getting that little blast of chilled air to my scalp. I was kind of like, ooh, okay, I got to get used to my scalp being out again. So just kind of got to get used to those types of things. But I'm just so excited. Like I said, I'm grateful that my loctician was able to establish my locks all in one setting. So I'm going to be working on just kind of, getting through this first month up until I have my first retie, just to see how the first month went. But I'm super excited. Only thing I think, actually, obviously, if you sit for so long, your butt's going to hurt a little bit. So, you get tired of sitting just from a butt perspective. So that's the only thing I can really think of. But yeah, I'm just ready to go home, chat with my family and start my journey.